What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this look right here. You know, a super sleek low bun, as well as how to do a swooped side part bun, low bun. And at first I was just going to do a side part low bun, but I decided to add in that little swoop for y'all so you guys can kind of get like a 3-in-1 video. But yeah, we're going to get right into this video. But before we get started, I just want to say thank you for all the support that I've been getting. I love you guys already. And also, don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content, and hit that notification button so you guys can get alerted every time I upload a video. And yeah, let's get into it. So to get started, I like to usually do my low buns on freshly washed hair, mainly because I want my hair to be detangled. It's easier for me to slick my hair back and just comb through my hair to get it into the low bun if my hair is detangled. And you know, when you condition your hair, obviously you detangle it. So I wanted to show you guys what I used in the shower to shampoo and condition my hair. It is from Tracy Ellis's hair line called Pattern Beauty. So I just used, this is what the bottle looks like. It's called this is their intensive conditioner, and I also use their hydration shampoo. Really quickly, I feel like the products do its job, nothing more, nothing less. I'm not raving about them, but I do have to say the conditioner was really thick and like almost felt like a butter. So it was very easy to detangle my hair, and like I already said before in previous videos, I'm not a fan of shampoo, so you know, it was just doing what it does. So now that my hair is detangled, I will also be using their leave-in conditioner just so my hair is retaining its moisture. You don't want to just do your hair with no product in it. You can use a curling cream. I'm just going to use a leave-in. And yeah, I'm just going to apply it to my whole head. So to start, after you have moisturized your hair, I'm going to show you 2 ways to do it. I'm going to do it a way for people who have thicker, more coarse hair. You guys can't just like, you know, go like this and it's going to be like not lumpy. So you guys can section your hair off starting with the half up, half down, like this. And you know, you would section it off. And then I'm not going to do this because I don't like that much gel in my hair, but you would just apply gel to the bottom half, brush it back, secure this bottom half, and then you may need to, well, I'm going to do a middle part. So then after you choose if you want to do middle or side part, you may need to section off, you know, the other sections and just slick it down as best as you can. But my way is real simple. I take some gel, rub it in my hand. Oh, I need to do my part. Hold uno momento. Once you have your hair sectioned the way you like it, you're going to grab some gel and just apply it in a downward motion. And start combing your hair back. You guys can use a Denman brush or whatever you guys like to detangle your hair with. So once you feel like your hair is going to be close to your scalp, not too puffy. You're gonna want to take more gel and do the same thing again. Going back to my ladies with more coarse hair, your hair may not slick down with gel, so you might need to use something like Shine and Jam. I'm gonna also use, for demonstration purposes, Elastic Peas Olive Oil Mango Butter Glaze. It's a conditioning shining gel, so it's not a water-based product like the Eco Styler gel is. This is more of like a pomade, so it's really thick and dense. It's dense. So rub it into your fingertips, and you can also use this to. This will really get rid of any flyaways because it's so thick. Alright. Going in with your soft brush, you're just going, I'll get closer and show you guys. You're going to press your hair down with this. Now, depending on how you want to do your baby hairs, like if you know that you want to do swoops into it, you're going to want to kind of prematurely do it with your regular soft brush so that your hair has a pattern. So I feel like I'm going to just do like 2 swoops. So that's what I'm going to make my brush do. So right now my hair is in a puff, so I want it to be in a ponytail. I'm just going to turn to the side so that you guys can see how I do the bun, because it's kind of hard for me to get an actual bun out of my hair when it's in a low puff like this. I don't know why. I kind of mastered a technique that works for me, so I'm just going to show it to you guys because I can show you better than I can explain it. So once you secure your bun, if you want to rock the puff, you guys can. I think the bun, when I do this look, just looks, you know, a little bit more classy. But to get into the edges now, I'm gonna bring my camera to the side a little bit. You guys can use your favorite edge control, or you guys can use whatever gel you guys used for your hair. I'm just gonna use the gel because it does the same stuff. And I'm just gonna brush in the edges. So this is my sleek low bun. Very business professional. I feel like if you have to go to work or you're going on an interview and you don't want your hair to just be looking, maybe you just want it to be concealed, not looking so crazy, this is definitely the go-to look. I feel like I look put together. So to start our side swoop, we're gonna obviously want to part our hair into a side part. And then from here, you're going to want to section off like a small portion of the front, not too big. Once I have sectioned off the part where the side swoop is going to go, I'm going to go back in with some gel. My hair is getting a little bit dry now that I've manipulated so much. I'm just going to go in with some water. Okay. So I'm still doing a low bun. You can do a high bun with the swoop. I've done that before as well, but we're going to stick with the low buns today. So apply your gel. So to get started into the swoop now, we're going to, I like to just start in like small sections. And I'm going to be using a rat tail comb to start achieving my look. I go in with the motion that I wanted to go in first and then put some gel on my hair. Now that I have done my swoop, I'm going to go in with some bobby pins and just secure it close to the base of where my ponytail is starting. Okay, so once you have secured, you know, everything, the side swoop, the bangs, we're going to do our baby hairs on the other side. Now I really love side parts because I feel like I can really, you know, make one side look way more dramatic than the next. And then once you know you're basically done, you're going to want to, I like to just go in with more gel on my brush and just perfect the swoop a little bit more. Whoops. Okay, so this is the side swoop. It's really cute. And now, like I said before, you kind of just mold it to the way that you like it. So I kind of want this to go down a little bit more. So I'm going to try and move it a little bit down. Boom. Finished. Let me show you guys the side profile. And yeah. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like both my middle part low bun as well as this side bang, swoop-de-doo, whatever you guys want to call it. And if you decide to recreate them, you know, you can DM me or tag me on your story on Instagram so I can repost you. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.